Hey everybody, I'm Josh for Populi, and we truly live in a nation divided by time zones. You know that, but what you don't know is how Populi handles time zones. This video may be useful for anyone with user access, but maybe especially for anyone working with courses where things are the most time sensitive. When you log into Populi on a device, the software checks to see what time zone that device has for you. In other words, what time zone your device thinks you're in. That means that in most circumstances, Populi will have your time zone correct without you doing anything. However, in fringe situations where the time zone needs to be adjusted, you can manually control that in their personal settings. Here's how anyone with user access can do that. If they're logged into Populi, they click on the profile picture or initials in the top right, then click Settings, and then in My Settings General, there's a setting for time zone. They'll just change that to whatever their time zone should be. Then click Save Settings. If you log into Populi and the software has gathered that you're in a different time zone than the one that you have set, you'll get a little banner that prompts you to adjust that. Those are the basics about your time zone, but you may still have questions about how your time zone in Populi works with your school's time zone. Let's say that you're a student on the West Coast, you're in a course, and your school is on the East Coast. Your school is 3 hours ahead of you. Populi automatically translates that time for you. If the instructor has an assignment set that's due at 11:59 p.m. tonight, you'll see it show up for you as due at 8:59 p.m. This is how things work generally, but there's one exception. The only place that will always follow the school time zone is when someone is scheduling meeting times on the info tab of the course.
Hi, this is Gabe. I'm the video editor here at Populi, and I just needed to jump in here and say that Josh was wrong when he said that you edit meeting times on the info tab of a course. You edit them on the settings tab of a course. So I guess what we learn here is that even those with great knowledge on a subject can still make huge mistakes. Thanks, and enjoy the rest of the video.
So if you're faculty on a course, or maybe an academic admin or registrar, when you edit meeting times, Populi informs you that all times are scheduled in the school's default time zone. Related to this, if you have multiple campuses, you can also set different campuses to different time zones. Here's how you do that. If you have either the academic admin or the registrar role and are set up as a Populi account administrator, you can manage this by going to Campus Life, Settings, Campuses. You click into a campus and then click on Time Zone. You adjust the setting there and save. So then if you have multiple campuses on multiple time zones and you've set the campus on the course instance, when you go to set meeting times, that course instance knows the correct campus time zone, and you'll see that listed there. Even if you're faculty or academic admin or registrar in a different time zone from that campus, you'll have that as a reminder about the campus's meeting times. But for the most part, you shouldn't have to think about time zones at all. Things will show up for you in Populi in your own time zone. Easy. Also, if you want to explore more training options, you should be aware of our focus sessions. These are 1 hour long training sessions that take place over Zoom. You and several other users meet up with a Populi support rep, get a little training, and then you get to ask questions. We have a rotating sequence of topics, so if you miss a session on something like admissions or billing, don't worry, it'll be rolling back around. You can get to the focus sessions by going to the knowledge base, clicking on release notes and announcements, and then clicking into focus sessions. We've also popped a link directly to the focus sessions down in the description. I've been Josh for Populi. You've been great. Thanks for watching.